Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Linen. This will show the most profitable strategy. When you hear anything the trading is too hard for you, it's wrong because my strategy is very simple even for beginners. And now let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group. Just go to the dialogue with me and write plus VIP.
So we'll trade the marker and Keltner channel will be our indicators. So our workspace deal amount will be $70. After that we'll set our time 1 minute, as always 1 minute time frame. Currency pass, you can see 8 currency pass at the top of the screen. So our indicators today, as I said, filter channel, it's located on our chart itself, and the settings. You can copy it and use it. This is our volatility-based technical analysis indicator, which helps to determine the trend in the market, like others, for example, like Bollinger, Donchian channel. So this is upper and lower borders. So the upper and lower, quite simple indicators. And the second indicator, you can see it, these settings, also quite simple. I can copy it. It's popular indicator, oscillator. So today we will use these two indicators. You see this, the chart for this indicator. So let's go on to the next concept and start our trading session. Here we are on the first concept. Let's open down and start our technical analysis. Some consolidation we see, candles on this step, on this stage. We see shadows on the last candles. So I think that we opened correctly. We opened correctly by Keltner. We see that moving average down. It's a good signal that we opened correctly. Let's just see 4 seconds left until the end of the deal, and yeah, our deal is going into plus $121. And let's move on. Here we are in the next concept. Open up and start our technical analysis. We see uptrend and very confident on our chart. We see pullback, support area. We see that we reached it, but then we'll roll back and some consolidation appear. After that, we see decreasing 3 red candles, but decreasing on our chart, and then we open up. By Keltner, we see that our move averages are directed up, It's also good signals. Uptrend on our chart. 1 second. Yeah, our daily is into plus. Chart is closed. Good. Let's move on to the next concept. We remove it. This currency. And let's move on. Also, don't forget about percent. It should be more than 80%. Second concept, let's increase our balance. And let's move on to the third concept. And here we are in the next concept. Let's up and down and start our technical analysis. Green candle is going up, but our trend is descending. We reached this area and reversal will be also. Maybe we just can't reach this area. 11 seconds until the end. By this indicator we see uptrend, but we make our decision by technical analysis and by the first indicator. Stable decreasing 2 seconds. Yeah, our deal goes into plus. 300, more than $300 on our deal amount. So next concept, let's open up and start our technical analysis. So what we see here, we see these points like this. We see rollbacks, shadows. Here consolidation we see, upper position by Keltner. Upper position also, the marker is decreasing, but we go by Keltner and our technical analysis. 10 seconds left until the end of the deal. We see growth and stable. I think we opened correctly. Yep, plus deal we see, guys, so it's good. It was our fourth concept for this moment. Let's summarize. We started with $70 and now we have more than $600. It's a good result. For the start, I'll show you my table like plan. Yeah, you see it. It's like an example of a plan. You can find more in my Telegram channel. You see $50, it's our deposit, and then our deal will be $5, 10% of our deposit. So you can use this plan. Each deal brings you about $2.50. It's very convenient plan, and you also can use it. As I said, the amount should be $5, and it's for 7 days. You can find it in my VIP group. You can find the link in the description to my Telegram channel. Just write to me and I add you to my VIP group. It's also for free. And also I want to say to you that I also have social trading. You can also find my contact in my Telegram channel and write to me code void. For example, I want to trade with a social trading and I'll answer you. So you can find, I repeat, in my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description to my Telegram channel. Find there my contact and write to me plus VIP, or I want to trade with social trading and I see you and add to my VIP group. So our deal amount will be, we decrease it to $100 and yeah, here we are on the next concept where let's open up and start our technical analysis. We see growth, up positions. It's a good signal. By Keltner we see that we also have upper positions like this position, up lines. It's a good signal. And by the marker we see the same situation, upper position, increasing trend, uptrend. We see it's good. Growth is stable. 10 seconds left until the end of our deal. I think we opened correctly. Yeah, profit is $76. It was 5. Yeah, 50 cents per. Let's open up and start our technical analysis. Here we have a small rise. Most likely move to the nearest global area of resistance. Establish this area. Even if we extend it, we can extend it like this in this selection. Global one may be slightly higher, but this is not the point at the moment. Consider that the global area of resistance has been reached. By Keltner channel we also see upper positions. By the marker we see some decreasing, ascending trend. 16 seconds until the end of the deal. Growth is stable. We can move on. So 3 seconds left until the end of the deal. Excellent. And this deal is closed with a plus. We move on to our first concept, our first circle. Here we are. Let's open up and start our technical analysis. The general trend we have is upward and quite stable. We also had a pullback. If we highlight this pullback, there was a connection. So resistance down, a rollback occurred with nothing, especially when there's such a mess. Different level of resistance. It happens often. However, this rollback ended with the formation of a rather large position. By Keltner we see the same situation. Upper position. By the marker we see stably holding bar, uptrend. Let's look for the chart. 5 seconds left until the end. Very pleasant. Good. Plus the LVC, it's good. I want to remind you that these deals and other deals you can find in my Telegram channel with different signals, and it's all for free. You can just use it. And also you can write me in the comments any questions. $150, and after this I will move on to the next concept. Here we are, down deal, and our technical analysis. It's not to say here everything you know. It's quite simple. By Keltner we see lower positions, red candles, good volume, support area, we reached it. There's nothing more to say here. 30 seconds left until the end of the deal, so I say it's quite fast. About our technical analysis, it's not a special one. I think we opened correctly. It doesn't, yeah, I think 3 seconds. Yeah, good. Last deal, as I said. Next concept. Our main mark is $1,000. I hope we will be able to overcome the next plot. Down deal, we see some consolidation. But decreasing downtrend. We also see this candle is how 23 seconds corresponds to the consolidation, but then I think that the chart go back to normal. By Keltner we see this. By the marker, the same deviation, decreasing 30 and 70 points. 10 seconds left until the end of the deal. Large drawdown. Let's wait to close our trades. Yeah, plus deals. Good. And now let's summarize it. I think the main thing is it's our balance. We started with $70 and now it's more than $1,000. It's a good result. It's very important to increase our balance. Our settings, it's our deal is 1 minute. Time frame is also 1 minute. And we use 2 indicators for today. You can see currency pairs, we will trade with them. It was 8 currency pairs for today. We use technical analysis and 2 indicators, Keltner channel. You see the settings. And the second one, the marker, the settings. You can copy it and use it in your trading.
Hello traders, my name is Lynn and you're on my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade in binary options. Here you'll find the most profitable and easiest trading strategies.
Also, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. You can find there my deals, my signals. You can just use it for free. So I think that's it for today. And if you have any questions, you can write me in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.